I keep coming back to Dr. Porter just because of the friendliness of the staff and of him, of course, and the professionalism. I had some bad experiences as a kid with the dentist, which really put fear in me. And so as a young adult teenager, didn't go to the dentist. Just was like, my teeth feel fine, they don't hurt, I brush them every day, I'm good to go. And then my husband started coming and said, you know what, I think you'll really like this guy. I mean, he seemed pretty cool. And I said, experiences haven't been the best, but I started and have been coming here ever since.
We built this practice from nothing. There were no patients when I opened the door. And 27 plus years ago to now, it's been a practice built on relationships and developing relationships with patients. They're not numbers here. A lot of places say we don't treat you like a number. We've proven that for almost 30 years.
I keep coming back to Dr. Porter. He's got a great bedside manner. He understands my fear, and from the very beginning has been really patient with any procedures that I've had to have done, worked with me and been really clear about what was going to happen, what I would expect. And he also went back and addressed some of the issues that I had as a kid that kind of put that fear of going to the dentist in me and explained it to me that no one had ever done that. And so the fact that he took the time to address me on a personal level and some of the oddities about my teeth and my nerves and how mine are set up that made me different really made me feel comfortable. So that, and he's just super nice. His staff has always been very friendly to me, my husband and my girls, and so we've never wanted to go anywhere else.